we're going to start forging a 6-inch hunting knife, and we're going to do it out of this piece of Damascus that I've already made. This is a 90 layer. It's just going to be a random pattern. We're going to be using a mixture of the Coal Iron 12-ton forging press and the hand hammer and anvil. So let's get to it. As soon as I get this up to heat, I'm going to bring it over to the press and draw it out to the thickness that I want. And right here I've got some blocks on each side of this press set up for the thickness that I want the press to stop at. It's a good habit to brush your steel and straighten it out after every run through the press. Now that we've gotten our material to close to the thickness that we want it, we're going to start shaping the blade. After we've gotten the blade profiled to where we want, we're going to start forging in the ricasso area. I've already marked it on this blade, right about here, but I measured 6 inches, and we'll start forming that. Making jigs for your hardy hole makes everything else a lot easier. to use the forging press to cut the excess stock from the blade. For the next step, we're going back over to the forging press. We're going to put our flat dies on here, and we're going to use this to forge in the tang. Now we'll be going back and forth between the press and the anvil to forge out the rest of the tang. I'm going to squeeze it in this angle iron to my vise just to make sure it's all straightened up for the grinding. So here's the forge knife. It's going to be a little bit of a recurve in here. The ricasso from the plunge line is going to be rounded. The tang is really long because it's going to be a through tang. So this end will end up being threaded. So the next step will be pre-heat treat grinding to get the profile nailed down. Get the shoulders set and square so the guard will butt up. And then we'll do some heat treating. And that'll be in the next video.